Hey guys, it's Andrea, and I'm sorry if you can hear machines in the background, but I'm at work, people are working. But I'm so excited to show you November Mystery. Y'all have no idea. Actually, I'm gonna get my planner out because I already use this and I can show you a spread with it because it's so dang beautiful. I am gonna start off with saying that this kit is no longer available. But if you are not subscribed and you are looking for this kit, definitely check out, I just stabbed myself with tweezers. Definitely check out the buy, sell, trade, our buy, sell, trade group, because every once in a while a mystery kit goes up there, but they do go fast because, especially with this one, I think it's going to go ultra fast. If anyone is going to be selling this kit, it's going to go fast. I know it is because it is so beautiful. I would say it's definitely one of my, I would say, top 5 kits ever, especially once you see it laid down. It is so beautiful. Obviously exclusive art. You will have never seen this before, and it is exclusive to subscribers, so I won't be bringing this art to the shop until next year, 1 year from probably next November. And it is so beautiful. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show you guys the ultimate kit first. Like I said, you cannot get this anymore. So like I said, the only way to get it is through the buy, sell, trade group if anyone is selling it. So let me go ahead and get this all situated, and look at it. I am so excited for this kit. Like I said, I already use it. I just think it is so beautiful. You have like the faux hollow. Let me show you guys what the faux hollow looks like. Where do we have it the most at? Probably this page. Nope, where's the functional page? I'm just so excited. I'm like shaking because I love this kit so much. I think it's so pretty. A great anytime kit here. So you have like the faux hollow sparkle throughout. So it's like a faux glitter. It's not actual glitter, but it's like a printed glitter. But just look at this kit. You have so much good stuff going on here. You have these girls which are just super gorgeous. I love their outfits. You have the little like Pele planner. You have like my little laptop here with like all of our different like vinyls on them. Like look at this scene, cute little bedroom. You have like a globe, this girl's outfit, her highlight, the little Aura Stell planner, the PP Weeks. You have a feather, crystals, little stack of books, the little cup. Just everything about this kit is so pretty. The colors are so fun. And again, I think you could use this kit literally anytime you want. You have your ombre heart checklist, you have your half boxes, you have your functional page. Look at these colors. You have a really pretty muted like lilac color, a muted peach, a gray, and then this really pretty purple. I don't really know what color purple it is, but it's just such a good color. Maybe like a brighter lilac. I love this. And then you have your extra full box here, which has like the PB Weeks cover. You have some like hair clips, some tarot cards, and then this like star headband, which I've actually seen this exact star headband at Michael's. You have your little things, your headers, and your gorgeous papers there. Love those. You have some deco down here on the bottom. So pretty. I love the starry lights. You have, this is actually, that's probably the best place to show you the faux like rainbowy type glitter. You have your extra functional items there. You have your bottom washi. You have your little munchkin heads. So cute. Let me go ahead and show you guys all of the extras. So normally in the shop that is $29.95, but for $30 plus shipping you get a lot of stuff. We quote like I think 1 or 2 sticker extras and then 1 sheet of foil, but you'll see we go a little overboard. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 extras. 10. There's not even 10 sheets in the kit. There's 9 sheets in the kit. So let's go over the extras. So the sticker extras first. So you do have the 15mm washi, bottom washi. Great for extending the kit as well. You do have the glitter headers, super pretty. You have the label sampler. And then you have the Fashion Girls, which I decided to do 2 different tall boxes. Obviously, you could use one as a tall box and cut the other one down, or use these to extend your kit. I like these in the sidebar. Lots of different options for you there. So those are the sticker extras. Let me go ahead and show you guys the foil sticker extras because they are pretty special. So let me show you best here, I think. So this is actually a mixed metal, and you're like, that's like an interesting look. It is sparkly hollow and regular hollow. Like, what even? Sparkly hollow and regular hollow. I don't even like, it's like, what is this magic? I don't know. It is the coolest look ever. I like the different textures. I'm gonna have to do it something like this in the future as well, like in shop, because it's just so pretty. So you do have the bottom washi, so you have the like solid bows, and then you have the twinkle overlay. Then you also have the flag overlays, which are really pretty. You can also just use these like by themselves, and I think they're really fun. There is the mixed metal bows. So this is like sparkly hollow because I prefer sparkly hollow, let's be real, and regular hollow bows in the middle. You have the twinkle full box overlays with the mixed metal. You have the bow headers with the mixed metal, and these I think it's gonna be great to save your extras, and you can use them either with hollow or sparkly hollow and it'll really match. And then you have the mixed metal header overlays, which is like the most prettiest kit ever. I'm just in love. The only downside for me is I forgot to use the foil with the kit. I grabbed this kit before Emily even collated it, so I didn't grab the foil, so I didn't use it with the kit, but I'll use it with another kit for sure because I use hollow quite a bit. And then this is the journaling card. The journaling card comes with the mini and the ultimate kit, and it just goes over all of the kind of like, this is like a little summary of the kit, and then this is the information. Ultimate subscribers, this month's collection comes with freebies, including the perfect mixed mega wiggle. Mini kit subscribers have foil FOMO. Shoot us an email to see if spots are available to upgrade your subscription for the next billing period and never miss shiny goodness again. The next billing period will be the 1st of November. So if you're seeing this and you're a mini kit subscriber and you want to upgrade to the ultimate, email me and we will see if we have spots open to upgrade you to the ultimate. And then if this is not your cup of tea, check out our buy sell trade group where you can easily buy, sell, or trade your SBC goodies with other scribblers. And our buy sell trade group, I was actually looking this morning, is pretty poppin'. So if there's ever anything you need to unload or anything that you're looking for, definitely check there. It's pretty active. I was looking today and a lot of them have like 12 to 15 comments, which I feel like is a good amount. So that is the ultimate. Let me go ahead and go through the mini kit. The mini kit is the more affordable option, so it does not have as many extras as it, like I said, it's the more affordable option. So it does still come with the really super cute journaling card. I love the PP Weeks in there. I'm gonna make sure to send Kane one of these. I'm not sure if he's subscribed or not. He should be though. So this is the mini kit. So the mini kit normally is just this here. So you do have the same full boxes. You have this the half boxes page, the same functional page, the deco page, and then you do have the bottom washi with, of course, the Munchkin head freebie. And then with being a mini kit subscriber, you do get these two as your freebies, which is a $4 value. So you get the glitter headers and the labels sampler. So I think last month was like the record high of people switching to the ultimates, and I'm so excited that you guys are excited about this month because I just think it is so pretty. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like in my planner because it's so beautiful. Oh my god. I haven't showed like a filled out spread on my channel in a long time, but like look at this. I did, like I said, I forgot to grab the foil, so I just used the sparkly hollow that I had, but look at this spread. It's so beautiful. I used hollow bougie boxes in the background. I used some different stuff from Sadie Stickers. The bow washi, and then this is from Sadie Stickers. And then I used some of these full box overlays that are sparkly hollow from Sadie Stickers, these two. Actually, these three. And then I used some Sadie Stickers sparkly hollow icons, some of the sparkly hollow wiggle, which is gonna, will have come out on Wednesday. I don't know when I'm gonna put this up. And then this is from Rose Color Days. It's like a sparkly hollow quote box. But how pretty is this kit? I love it. And I think that the sparkly hollow mixed metal is like such a cool look, and it's just so fun. But love this kit. I love the way it looks laid down. It's honestly, I would say, one of my top 5 favorite mysteries of all time. And it's just such a great anytime kit. I feel like we do like half anytime kits, half like kind of like seasonal type kits. So I just love that you could really use this anytime, and I might just actually keep one to hoard for future use because it's so pretty. But that's everything for this month's mystery. Again, this is no longer available, so if you do sign up next month, you will get the next month's mystery, which is also kind of like an anytime kit but does have like a theme to it. And I really love the colors next month, as well as the wiggle is kind of like, it's something we haven't done yet, which I think is really cool. And I think that I'm like really excited for it because the wiggle is just kind of like phenomenal, and the colors of the kit are like something we haven't done, but something that's gonna look really cool, especially with the wiggle. So that's everything for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!